Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet design we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous Ravenna blue metallic paint. It features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a full service history as well. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got adaptive cruise control which is nicely built into that Volkswagen emblem. Down the side of the vehicle you've got these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors. There's a generous amount of boot space including split folding seats, so plenty of room there for a couple of large suitcases. You can fold down the seats when pulling on those levers on each side. And inside you get lovely pattern cloth seats with ISOFIX points there. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. Just moving on to the infotainment system, you've got digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror up some your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got some of the latest safety systems on board, including front assist. There's multiple driver modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And to help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. A little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with plenty of storage below and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.